Hi, I'm Steph, and today I'm trying out my dream kayak, the Oryu Kayak Bay ST.
These are the days where moments are made, now or wait. We're born to fly, the world is ours. Let's eclipse the stars and make it shine. Now's the time. Today's the day.
Now, I've been an Oryu kayak user for over 2 years, and I have the inlet and the lake model, and those are both open cockpit style kayaks. And this is a closed cockpit, and I've been wanting to try this for a while just because I've actually never tried any kind of kayak that has a closed cockpit, and it's a longer kayak, so it tracks better and you're able to go a little bit faster with it. So I have been really wanting to try this, and the PR company for Oryu Kayak contacted me and asked if I would like to try any kayaks, and I jumped at the chance to try this one. And so it's not mine to keep, it is mine to try, and I'm very excited to kind of experience it and share my thoughts on it. So far I am out here on a really big lake here in Tallahassee called Lake Tallahassee, and so far I have loved the performance of the kayak. It's very smooth in the water, it glides really well. I'm actually able to use my paddle, my bent shaft paddle. It still works with this kayak. I wasn't sure if it would because it's it's not as wide as the other kayaks, but it feels like it works really well in the water. My body is definitely like in the kayak opposed to the open cockpit kayaks that I have, but I just kind of feel like one with the kayak, and it's really nice. I kind of move, the kayak moves with me, and surprisingly this was a very straightforward process to put together. So I put together the kayak 3 times now. The very first time in my garage, and then I put it together outside, and then I just put it together before I got on the water. And after the first time, actually, I didn't need instructions on how to do it because it's very straightforward. The engineering on this is really, really nice. They do a great job at really designing these kayaks, and just the way it folds and the way it all just is engineered. It's very cool. Also, I thought this would be a lot heavier than my kayaks, but it's really not. I think it's 26 pounds, and I can easily manage this myself. I can carry it by the cockpit myself, or there's handles on the front and back that whoever I'm with can carry it with me. So today I'm actually kayaking alone, but my mom is actually here on the dock getting some video footage for me and drone shots. But today I'm really just kind of, oh, a gator. There's a lot of alligators in this lake. So today I'm not doing a full long paddle. I'm just really getting a feel for the kayak, and I'll do a longer paddle coming up. It's a little different having your legs constrained inside of the kayak, and my knees are kind of on the sides of the kayak for support, and then my feet are helping glide me as I paddle. So I didn't really have a lot of time to figure out what mount to use for this camera, so the mount is a little bit in my way, but I'm going to try to go full out, paddle full out, and see how it feels. Also, I've never used the Oryu Kayak life jacket before, so I'm using it for the first time today, and I will say it's really comfortable. It's an NRS life jacket, which is a very good brand of life jackets and paddling equipment, and that's what I normally have as an NRS life jacket, but it has more pockets on it. This one doesn't have a full back, so it has a mesh panel towards the bottom, so your back can just sit right on the seat. And I usually don't like these kind of life jackets, but I'll say it works perfect for this kayak. So I would say this probably life jacket is made for a kayak like this, and it's really comfortable. I think my life jacket probably would be less comfortable in this kayak, so very comfortable, and I barely feel like I'm wearing a life jacket. Ooh, another gator. That one you might be able to see. Ooh, that's a big boy. That is a big gator. I thought it was a log at first, but that's a gator. So we're gonna continue to go here on the side. So I have a healthy respect for gators. I kayak here in Florida often, and they are here with us. I am not scared to kayak in water. with gators. There are always gators around, but I keep a healthy distance from them and follow gator safety. So kind of a marvel to see them, actually. It's like seeing what it must have been like to see dinosaurs. It's the closest I'll ever get. All right, so I am back at the dock and I have my Bay ST sitting right here. And I will say my initial paddle using this kayak it was super fun. It was a lot of fun to paddle. It did not feel any more unstable than the kayaks that I have. I don't think kayaks really feel unstable myself, but I didn't feel unstable. I didn't feel like I was gonna fall out. I definitely was more cautious than I typically am just because it's a new kayak and I wanted to get a feel for it. I definitely think I could paddle a lot of different areas with this. I am curious about portage, how annoying it would be to portage in a longer kayak, so that might be something fun to try out. How easy it is to kind of move around objects and things like that. But it was a super fun paddle today. I'm excited to get out on the water and longer paddles and try it out and maybe do some camping with it. But overall, Bay ST is definitely a fun kayak and can't wait to try it out some more. All right, thanks for joining and have a great day.